behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
TJ squared, first to take a shot, goes just a bit low. Well, that one goes in, but bounces back out. And now they find one. Meanwhile, on the blue side, a few notes already in. Neo Robotics getting in on the action as well. Airstrike make their way back to the wing, already loaded up with another note, and they're going to drop that off into the amp. TJ squared, launching another one of those notes up into the red speaker. Now going to make their way over to the amp. Cooperation bonus already locked in. Note threshold brought down to 15 for that melody ranking point. Lakerbots making their way back over to the red subwoofer, going to get themselves lined up with that speaker. That's up and in. Blue speakers amplified in 2 notes. Perfectly harmonized from the Colonials and Airstrike. Another one goes in right at the tail end. That's 3 amped notes, 49 to 29. Red amp just runs out as that last shot goes wide, but Lakerbots making up for it, getting one in. Record Robotics dropping off one of those notes into the amp. See how much they can keep that speaker amped up. Record Robotics picking up a note from over at their source. Now going to make their way back across. Colonials trying to find their way past TJ squared, stopping them from getting through, but Lakerbots, they're the ones that get through. Another amped note in for blue brings them up to 56. A couple more seconds on that amp if they can find any more notes into that speaker. Lakerbots now, another one up and in, and they're going to amp. TJ squared going to score off of that as well. This is their chance to close the gap. Can Record Robotics score on this amp as well? Looks like that's just going to run out. 30 seconds to go now. Still a huge traffic jam in the middle. TJ squared and Colonials trying to get past each other. Now TJ squared gets back into their wing, getting lined up for another shot. They're actually going to look towards the stage as well. Record Robotics dropping one off over at the amp. And now here come the high notes from the human players. Can they spotlight any of their robots? So close. 3 robots on the chain. There's a trap from TJ squared as well. 3 robots parked, looks like 1 on stage for blue. Wins 69 to 59. It's close the whole way. 3 ranking points for blue, 2 for red. They pick up both the melody and the ensemble, getting 12 stage points.